Welcome to Study Loop.
To solve this by factoring, you would take the leading coefficient and the constant, multiply them together. Negative 3 times negative 36 is 108. We think about the number positive 108 and how we can find two numbers that multiply to 108 but add to the middle term 24. So 108 is 6 times 18. And so 6 times 18 multiplies to 108 and adds to 24. What you do is you break down the middle term with those coefficients. So a positive 6x and a positive 18x. And then you use the grouping method. You can take out a negative 3x from the first group. Then we're left with x minus 2. And from the second group, we can take out 18. And we're left with x minus 2. And now we have the common group, x minus 2 times the negative 3x plus 18. I'm in a different territory here, so let me finish this over here. We can still factor out a negative 3, then we're left with x minus 6. And that's still being multiplied with x minus 2. So let me put this properly. We've got negative 3 negative 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 6 is equal to 0 here to solve for it. Divide both sides by negative 3 and just 0 equals x minus 2 times x minus 6, which by the zero factor theorem would mean x equals 2 or x equals 6 to get those to 0. Now we're solving the same problem but with the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is opposite b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Well, in this problem, a is negative 3, b is 24, and c is negative 36. So it would be opposite of 24 plus or minus the square root of 24 squared minus 4 times negative 3 times negative 36, all over 2 times negative 3. So this would be negative 24 plus or minus the square root of 24 squared is 576 minus 4 times 3 times 36 is 432 all over negative 6. Okay, then that's negative 24 plus or minus the square root of 576 minus 432 is 144. So that's negative 24 plus or minus the square root of 144 is 12. So this would be negative 24 plus 12 divided by negative 6 and negative 24 minus 12 over negative 6. You have those two routes. Negative 24 plus 12 is negative 12 over negative 6, which is positive 2. And we have negative 36 over negative 6, which is positive 6. So x is 2 or 6, which we got from factoring as well.